Hi friends, today I'm in Micheals and I'm bringing you with me. Let's go shopping. So it has been a minute since I've been into Micheals, and today I'm headed in to look at some floral. You guys, their floral is so good. I was wanting some inspiration on a few different ideas I have for some DIYs, and I found my inspiration. They also have all of their florals right now at 40% off. So if you are looking for some florals for spring, definitely check them out now. Oh my goodness, I have not seen any of their Easter decor and it is so good. The first thing that I had my eye on is this piece, which no price tag, must be free and I can just take it home. I wish. It is a really neat cracked egg basket, plaster. They have some gorgeous vases with hydrangeas. So they have a couple collections in their Easter decor this year. This is more of the pinks and blues. So if you're a pink and blue person, this one's for you. The next collection we're going to see is a lot brighter, but still tons of pastels. And I know that this is the time of year that so many who decorate in pastels, maybe shabby chic, buy a lot of their decor. I have friends who do this. Now these plates are really cute. I thought they were going to be more expensive. They are $7.99. But speaking of that, let's just address the elephant in the room. We all know that stores mark their decor way up so that they can have a quote unquote sale and mark their prices down and make you believe you're getting a deal. Micheals does this. Their prices are high. Everything right now is super expensive. So I know that there's going to be a little bit of sticker shock. Now this sign is gorgeous. It is priced at $39.99. So if you get it at half price, it'll be right around $20. I think right now they're going to be putting their Easter stuff on next week. 40% off, which is what they usually do. So keep your eye out for their sales. I love this little bunny canister. They have these little glass, almost cabbage leaf trinket trays. Now, again, some of their prices are a little insane. Things like this, though, I think are just gorgeous, well done, maybe worth the investment. It's marked at $19.99. It's really good. Cut glass, like half of an egg. I just think those are beautiful. And again, I don't buy anything that isn't on sale or clearance. Now they do have some, I'm guessing these are supposed to be like little candy trays that are that cut glass. I know that's super popular right now, and sisal bunnies are everywhere. So they have this guy in 2 different sizes. Not bad prices on those, and over here it gets a little whimsical. I really like what they did. There are some hanging glass eggs I can't wait to show you. What I am finding is that most of their wreaths are priced at $59.99. So you're looking at a $60 wreath, which they're so expensive. Keep that in mind for when you go in. You may want to check out their app online and see what sales they're running or what coupons they're offering. They also have these that are a braided jute bunny. So this is a $20 bunny. It's the smaller one. I think the larger one is $26.99. And again, those are things you're going to want to get on sale. They're really doing a lot of hydrangeas, and these little boots are so super duper cute, really tiny. These would be fun in a tiered tray, $7.99 regular price. And then they have this little tray that is a bunny, so cute. Now I think that they just stocked the shelves because a lot of the items, I should say, did not have prices on them. They have these little love bunnies over here, and I think they're super cute. Again, they put the hydrangeas in her hair. They do have some table linens over here, and these 2 prints that I think are gorgeous. I remember when my daughter was little, scouting out any kind of Easter or spring pastel decor for her room. Something like this would be perfect. Comes in the pink and blue, and I just think they're beautifully done. Now over here's where it gets a little more whimsical. They do have a really beautiful pillow in this collection, and then they do have the grapevine style cross as well as this plaster tin combo egg. Very subtle, very neutral, and then a few hanging blessed signs, and then down below these butterflies. They are super lightweight tin. These would be beautiful in a little girl's room. They come in sort of a peachy pink, the blue and purple, and these are the eggs I was telling you about. How gorgeous are these hanging eggs? I just think they're stunning. They also have some flocked bunnies, and then this pillow. Now I am finding that the majority of their pillows are running $29.99, so consider that when you are looking at most of the pillows I'm going to be showing you. They have a fun little sign. Now I was surprised that that was priced at $20, but this is probably the most shocking price for me today. This is $34.99. Super cute little sisal ducky, but I don't know about that price tag. Now let's head over. I'm going to show you guys all of the brightly colored collection and everything else they're offering for Easter. I definitely want to point out that they have something that could make your life super fun and easy. Now they have these standing photo props in a duck and a bunny, and I was looking at those thinking there's no way you could make it for, I'm considering getting it at 50% off. So I'm considering it to be $25. It's not yet on sale, but it will be, and I don't think you could buy all the paints and have it done for that price. Again, they do have a lot of pinks and blues, but a lot of bright colors over here as well, and a few pillows to choose from. $24.99 on this little bunny, and then this little latch hook bunny. How sweet is he? His ears are actually velvet, and I think he is absolutely precious. Now, there are a few fun acrylic eggs I want to show you guys. There's some standing Easter bunny busts, and they're even doing ornaments in case you do an Easter or seasonal tree. So let's take a look at what is coming out.
The gentle April rain that stained the window panes last night is all but gone, but lingers on in scented clouds of air. We watch the town awaken to the trembling morning lights. You're so near and spring is everywhere. We danced until the stars came out and spread across the sky. The wee small hours of morning all went by, and day is here. We won't give up our dancing, and across the floor we fly. When you are near, spring is in the air. I hold you so close, I think you must hear my heart tingle. We're hand in hand, cheek to cheek, and floating in midair. When you are near, spring is everywhere. So close, I think you must feel my heart tremble. We're hand in hand, cheek to cheek, we're floating in midair. When you are near, spring is everywhere. We dance until the sun is down and stars are in your eyes. Spring is here, I feel it everywhere. You're so near and love is in the air.
dress, and when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met and you saw me. And forevermore, I'd like to share that vintage dream. As our eyes met and you saw me, and forevermore, I'd like to share that vintage dream. And forevermore, we're living in that vintage dream.
I made you breakfast, fresh coffee and bagels too. A new day is waiting for us, we got lots of fun stuff to do. Let's go to the zoo and feed the monkeys, I can lend them your baseball cap. Let's make the day a barrel of fun, growing up is just a trap. Don't it seem like a drag? Like putting all of your joy in a big brown bag. I won't listen to any of that jazz. No, I'll never grow up. I'll never grow up. Growing up is just a big fat trap. I take pride in never working a day. Can't see the use of it anyway. Who can think I'm such a load of crap? Growing up is just a trap.
Now, before I let you guys go, I have to show you there is one garland in particular that I think is worth a trip into Micheals. I love this one in the clear glass. It is $9.99 on regular price, and I think it is stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Micheals to see everything that they're putting out for Easter and spring. And let me know down below in the comments, where do you want to go next? I'd be happy to oblige. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you back very soon.